Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing an unboxing for you. Well, it's kind of an unboxing. I've already taken the item out of the box because they put it in the wrong box and I didn't want it getting all these unnatural looking creases in it. So I did take it out of the box, but I have not used the item yet. So it is still technically an unboxing, although I have seen the item since I got home with it. So I purchased this a couple of weeks ago, and actually, yeah, about 2 weeks ago. And like I said, I haven't used it yet. And I am so excited to be doing this unboxing because I really want to use this item. Like I can't wait to put my stuff in it and start using it. But I knew I better do an unboxing this time because I did not do an unboxing of my Neverfull GM. And I was thinking, okay, I have to unbox this one or people are seriously going to start unsubscribing. So anyway, this is the box that they put it in. And this is actually a Neverfull box. See how they're kind of like thin? And they're really enormous boxes. Like they're huge boxes. And that is the box that it was put in. But it's a little too flat for this particular bag. This bag needs a little more space to breathe than that box allows. So I want to say that I did not deal with my normal essay that I normally deal with at the domain in Austin because my essay was out of the country. So when I went in, I dealt with a different sales associate, and she was super nice. She was really sweet. She was awesome, very helpful, very patient, but she just, she doesn't know me, so she doesn't know how I like my bags boxed. And like my sales associate, June, she always stuffs my bags for me, and she always puts them in oversized boxes so that they don't get creases in them, and she just really, really spoils me to death. And this girl didn't know me, so she just boxed it the way they, normally box them. So I'm going to go ahead and get right into the item because I don't want this video to be, oh my gosh, stuff's falling over here. I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, so, and plus I honestly don't know how much quiet time I'm going to get out of my son, so I got to speed this up. Okay, so this is the bag that it came in. The bags are always enormous. Like, look how, oh my gosh, the bag is so big. I can't even get the whole thing in frame. Like, it's enormous. And this is the dust bag that the item came in. Right here. Now, I did stuff it because, like I said, I wanted to try to get the creases out of it before I use it. So this is the dust bag that it came with. And this is the bag that I decided to go with, and I absolutely 100% love her. Oh my gosh, how gorgeous is this bag? So this is the Graceful MM, and she comes with a luggage tag, which I love. I did get the one with the pivoine interior. You can see I have a Squishmallow in here to stuff this bag so that I could get all the creases out of it. And as you can see, it did a wonderful job. So if you have a Graceful MM that you're purchasing and you happen to own a Squishmallow, they work perfectly as handbag stuffers. Anyway, so the vachetta is nice and white, as you can see. I wanted to get another monogram bag because if you've watched any of my videos in the past, then you know that my Berry MM I had to return, and that was what I exchanged and got my Neverfull GM in replace of. But I wanted a hobo bag in my collection, and this bag is this fits the bill. It's so gorgeous. I absolutely love it. One of the things that I really like so much about this bag is the fact that it does not have vachetta on the bottom. So I don't have to worry about setting it down because it's not going to get dirty on the bottom. And if it does get dirty, I can simply just wipe this clean and it will be fine. It has minimal vachetta, so it does have the luggage tag. It has this little tab right here. I don't know if it's going to... There, right there. It just says Louis Vuitton Paris on it. And then it has the strap, and that is literally all the vachetta that is on this bag. And then it says Louis Vuitton Paris on top of the strap right here. and that's all the vachetta. So it would really be easy to cover this. Even if you wanted to use it and it's raining outside, you could easily cover this, the vachetta that it has on it, because you don't have to worry about like side strings or, you know, cinch strings, or, you know, even this, you could just simply like stick it inside the bag, and then you could just drape something over your shoulder and all of the vachetta on the bag is covered. So I really love that it has minimal vachetta. I wanted to get another monogram because, like I said, my berry was a monogram and I had to, you know, send her back, and so I was really sad. Okay, don't laugh with what I have this stuffed with. I already told you I put a squishmallow in here, and if you don't know what a squishmallow is, you're about to find out. So this is a squishmallow. It's the little pillows. These things are the softest. These are so good for traveling. Like, they're so soft, and they never lose their shape. They're just, oh gosh, they're so soft. Okay, anyway, this is what I had inside my bag. They work perfectly. Okay, so now that I have that out, I can show you. So on the Graceful MM, this is the largest size that they offer. They have an MM and a PM. I did look at the PM, and the PM just seemed a little small for my taste, so I decided to go with the MM instead. And with the MM, you get so much space. Like, you can fit everything in here that you could fit in a Neverfull MM plus some. So I feel like you have more space in this bag than in the Neverfull MM. And so let's look at the inside. So I did go with the pivoine interior. That was one of the things that I really wanted if I got this bag. I wanted to get the pivoine interior. I love this like hot fuchsia pink. It's so pretty. It's not really showing up very true to color right now. Oh, there it goes. Wait. You can kind of see the color. It's very bright. There. It's a really pretty color. It has a huge zipper on this back wall, as you can see. The zipper measures 10 inches in width, and that's what the zipper looks like when it's open. It's an enormous zipper. It's very, very large, as you can see. This is just the, let me see, the item number tag. It's kind of blurry, but you can probably make it out. This is just the textile card, and then the price tag. So this bag retails for $14.40 currently. It has not had a price increase, so I was happy about that. And it's a very big bag. This one is made in USA, so as you can see, it has the tab on the inside down there. Can you see it? Right there. And it's leather, and it does say made in the USA. One of the things that I really like a lot about this is that the handle will swivel around and like move to the back or to the front of the bag. Wait, does it move to the, yeah, it has to move to the front. Yeah, so that you can get it out of the way and open your bag. I think there was another bag. I think it was either the Delightful or the, I don't remember which one it was, but it was another hobo bag, and the handle did not swivel out of the way. And when you open the bag, the handle was like right across the top of it, and it was in the way. And so I like the fact that this one does not do that. It will swivel to the back. So these rings on the side move, but this does not swivel on the ring. So this is stationary on the ring, and the ring itself is what moves. And it does have the little grommets like this, and this is all one piece, so it goes down underneath and then it comes up and it's secured here, but it's also sewn on here with those little stitches, so it's secured and it's not going to go anywhere. And then the other thing that I really thought was a nice little touch is on the grommets in the front. Let me show you on this side. On these little grommets, it does say Louis Vuitton around, I'm trying to see if I can show it to you. It does say Louis Vuitton around here. It's kind of hard to see, but you can tell where something is etched in there. So it says Louis Vuitton there. It says Louis Vuitton on these little tiny guys around the edges. On the back side, it has the nail head rivets. And yeah, it doesn't really have much hardware either. So, but the hardware on it is minimal and beautiful. I love these beautiful pleats that it has on the side here. And everything matches up nicely. It's I made sure I really inspected the bag. That's why I say the essay that helped me was really patient, because I'm very picky when I'm buying these bags and I want stuff to line up. And so she was really, really patient. She brought several out for me to look at. So everything lines up nicely. The corners are perfect. And then there's the bottom. So this is made with 3 pieces of canvas. The front, the back, and then the bottom. And yeah, I really, really love this bag. I'm so excited to start using it. So the front tab does say Louis Vuitton on it. I think I showed that to you already. Yeah, Louis Vuitton Paris. And I mean, there's not really a whole lot to tell about this bag. Like, it's pretty, it's just pretty straightforward. One thing I will mention is that the canvas on this bag is that really soft, squishy, buttery feeling canvas. And I think this is their new canvas, the one that is quote unquote crack resistant, because this canvas is very different from the canvas on my Neverfull and on my Speedy. And what other bag do I own? On both of my Neverfulls and on my Speedy. They both have a stiffer canvas that feels, I don't know, this one just feels really malleable, really squishy and soft. And again, I think that they did that because in the past, these bags have had problems with cracking wherever it has a point, like in the corners or anywhere where there's like folding, there would always be problems with cracking. And so to take care of that problem, they redid their canvas. And so the canvas on bags that have had cracking problems in the past have this softer, more malleable canvas on them now. So yeah, the bag is about, I think it's 16 inches across, and I think it's 14 inches high, and then it's like 4 inches wide, but it fits a ton of stuff. I know 4 inches doesn't seem very wide in terms of like the Neverfull and the Speedy, which are like anywhere from 6 to 7 inches wide. But this bag actually flattens out on the bottom. When you put your stuff in it, you can put so much stuff in here. Like it's a powerhouse. It's huge. Like, I'm gonna try to show you just how cavernous this bag is. Like, look at that. You have nothing but space in here. Like, it's enormous. Absolutely enormous. So I just wanted to show this new bag to you, the Graceful MM in monogram with the Pive interior, because I want to start using it. And as soon as I start using it, I will do a what fits in the Graceful MM bag video for you. And I'll also make sure to do regular wear and tear videos at like substantial intervals, like maybe a 3-month, a 6-month, you know, so on and so forth. So there's not a lot of videos on the Graceful MM, not really when you compare it to how many videos are on the Speedy and on the Neverfull. The Graceful doesn't seem to get as much love as the other bags do. So I definitely want to make sure that I add to the Graceful MM library of videos, because there are not that many to choose from. I mean, there's some. I'm not going to say that there's not any, because there are, you know, there are a few videos on there, but yeah, not really review videos much, just a few reviews. Not most of them are what's in my bag videos. And so I definitely want to do a review, an extensive review of this bag for you guys, let you know how it holds up, let you know how much fits in it, if it's comfortable, things like that. So anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like my new bag. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put them down below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I would love for you to subscribe and join my YouTube family. Also, if you subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And I hope you're all having a great day. I hope you had a happy Easter, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.